Be grateful for every little thing. Be grateful for every little things. God don't owe us nothing. God don't owe us nothing, but I know He did something good for you yesterday. I know you have to sometimes decree and declare over your day. Decree and declare over your week. We just finished a holy convocation and the theme was reset to recover. Reset to recover. You understand? Give God the glory, give God the honor, and give God the praise. My God. In Hebrews 11 verse 1, it said, now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen, in the name of Jesus. Glory be to God. In the name of Jesus. Walk by faith and not by sight. Give God the glory. Give God the